I got to ask this question. How do I know what email address I use for my Facebook account? I'm going to show you how to determine what email address is associated with your Facebook account on Google Chrome and through the mobile app. Let me show you. So I'm logged in to Facebook. I'm on Chrome. I go over here to the right where I see my picture. Click on that. Click on Settings and Privacy. In Settings and Privacy, click on Settings. In Settings, go over here and click on Account Settings. And there it is right there under General Account Settings. My contact information with my email address and my add contact information with my email address. Now let me show you how to do this on the mobile app. So let's take a look at how to do this on a mobile app. I'm using an iPhone. I'm going to go to the Facebook app. Go to my profile. Right here, I'm looking at my profile. Go click on Profile. There it is there. And then while I'm in here, I can click on my profile picture again, the bottom right, and I can go down here and I can click on Settings and Privacy, and then under Settings and Privacy, click on Settings, and then you can see right there, Personal Information, update your name and contact information. I click on that, and you can see that there's my name. My contact information is under Manage Your Phone, Numbers, and Email. Click on that. And there's my phone numbers and my Facebook email address, which I don't use. But there's my email address associated with this account. That is the email address that I'm using. It's pretty straightforward. Actually, if you notice, I have two email addresses associated with this account. One is my backup in the event that I have a problem getting to the other one. I'm Teddy, doing Facebook and contact information. I hope this is helpful to you.